We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Safari app. If we open the Safari application, we'll be taken to our most recent viewed website. Here, if we wanted to navigate to a new website, all we have to do is tap in the address bar, erase what's in there, and begin typing in the web address we'd like to visit, and then hit go. Once we're there, we can scroll through our page. If we double tap anywhere on the screen, we can zoom in, or we can even pinch to zoom in or zoom out. And then we can scroll through our web page, and if we click on any link, it will open the web page in the same window that we're currently in. Here all we have to do is pinch to zoom out, and we can view all of the content. If we want to view any of our bookmarks, all we have to do is hit the bookmarks button in the lower menu, and we'll be taken to our bookmarks. Here we can see iCloud tabs. We can even view our history on Safari. If we open a bookmark, it'll open in the same window that we've been in. And if this application has an iOS app in the App Store, it'll even show a banner at the top telling us that we can get the application from the App Store. If we dismiss this, we'll just be taken to the same web page. If we hit the share button in the bottom menu, we can share this website via email, message, Twitter, Facebook, print it, copy it, add it to a bookmark, add it to our reading list, or even add the web page to our home screen. If we hit the new page button in the lower right hand corner, we can delete the page and even add a new page into our Safari browser.